Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos cheese. Begin by grating 2 cups of cheese and preparing 1 cup of milk or cream. Melt gently over low heat while stirring constantly to avoid separation. Add 1 tsp cornstarch mixed with a little cold water to stabilize the sauce. Season with salt, 1 tsp smoked paprika, and a pinch of cayenne if you want heat. Warm the milk or cream separately to just below simmering before adding cheese. This helps the cheese melt evenly and reduces clumping. Add grated cheese in small handfuls while stirring continuously with a wooden spoon or silicone spatula. If sauce seems thin, stir in a cornstarch slurry of 1 tsp cornstarch and 1 tablespoon water, then simmer briefly to thicken. Finish with seasoning and taste. Arrange chips in a single layer on a rimmed baking sheet for the crispiest base. Drizzle the cheese sauce evenly, then add toppings like jalapenos, cooked beef, beans, or pico de gallo. Bake at 375 degrees F for 4 to 6 minutes until everything is warmed and the cheese sets slightly. Garnish with cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.